17. Sightseeing car, giant trees, rope bridges, waterfall, 18 zip lines, one-day trip. Kick off your journey from the information center before 9 a.m. Enjoy the beauty of nature along the 5 kilometers Sai Nam Kat River in a sightseeing tour. Right after, hike in the jungle for 1.5 kilometers to witness the giant trees. Walk back to the car for a 500-meter sightseeing ride. Then, hike in the jungle and cross a 1-kilometer rope bridge. Enjoy lunch beside Sai Nam Kat River and ride 18 zip lines to the parking space. Return to the information center by sightseeing car.